Doon po sa plano ni Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy, he will move for the improvement of the agriculture sector. Part po nun is farm to market goods, farm to market vegetables, farm to market fish, farm to market roads. Kinakailangan po yan kasi kung wala pong roads po, hindi po matatravel yung mga gulay, yung mga produkto po ng ating mga magsasaka at yung mga isda po ng ating mga fishermen. Party po yan ang plano ni Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy in collaboration with his fellow PDP Laban candidates at nag-propose po siya ng state managed farming nga po para po ma-spur na po ang agricultural growth natin kasi tayo po ay agricultural country, kailangan masuportahan natin ang ating mga magsasaka at party po niyan ay yung farm to market roads po na gustong i-implementa ni Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. Ang mensahe po niya, please trust Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. You try him, vote for him. Yan pong minimithin ninyo na farm to market road, gagawin po niya yon. Hindi lang yan, farm to market vegetables, farm to market fish, farm to market goods. Yan po ang nasa isip ni Pastor at nasa puso po ni Pastor. Kaya ngayong May 12, 2025 elections, butuhan natin si Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy. Vote straight PDP Laban.